Hey friends, today's topic is personal, because I've been broke. I've eaten instant noodles for weeks. I've avoided phone calls from the bank. But once I saw these traps, everything changed. And I want that same change for you. Let's start with the first invisible trap, the lifestyle lie. You earn more, so you spend more. That's what society teaches us. You got a raise? Great. Now get a bigger house, fancier clothes, maybe upgrade that phone. You deserve it, right? But here's the truth. If your income goes up and your spending goes up just as fast, you'll stay broke forever. I had a friend, let's call him Mike, got his dream job, doubled his income. But guess what? He also doubled his rent, got a car loan, bought expensive gadgets. A year later, still living paycheck to paycheck. Why? Because he didn't grow his savings. He only grew his lifestyle. 78% of NFL players go broke within 3 years of retirement. They earned millions, but their lifestyle outgrew their income. The key? Live below your means. If you earn more, save more, invest more, not just spend more. Trap number 2, the silent killer. We're talking about small spending, the sneaky stuff. $5 on coffee, $10 on takeout, a couple of online subscriptions you forgot about. Doesn't feel like much, right? But here's the kicker. Small leaks sink big ships. I once tracked my spending for 30 days. Turns out I spent $240 on random snacks, drinks, and delivery fees. That's almost $3,000 a year. Gone. Just like that. The average person spends $1,500 a year on impulse buys. Solution? Track every dollar. Use an app or a simple notebook. Once you see the waste, you'll stop it. Awareness changes everything. Trap number 3 is a monster. The debt trap. Credit cards, buy now, pay later, payday loans. It all feels like free money until the bills come. I remember maxing out my credit card on a vacation I couldn't afford. Took me 2 years to pay it off. The interest? It cost me double. Here's a hard truth. If you're paying 20% interest on a credit card, that $1,000 item actually costs you $2,200 or more. You're not buying things, you're renting them at a high price. If you're in debt, attack it. Start with the smallest one, debt snowball, or the highest interest, debt avalanche. And stop using new credit until you're in control. The 4th trap is sneaky and emotional. It's called the comparison curse. You see your friend post a new car. Your cousin just bought a house. You feel behind. So you try to keep up, even if it means going broke doing it. But what you don't see is the debt behind those Instagram photos. That shiny car? Maybe it came with a 7-year loan. That fancy vacation? Maybe it was paid for on a credit card. I used to compare myself constantly, till I realized their journey isn't mine. And no one posts their overdraft fees online. You are not behind. You are building. And that takes time. Focus on your money, your goals, and your peace. The final trap is the deadliest of all. Future blindness. Most people only think about now, what feels good today. But they don't prepare for tomorrow. Nearly 60% of adults don't have $1,000 saved for emergencies. A friend of mine lost his job unexpectedly. No savings. No backup. He had to sell his laptop just to pay rent. Here's what I've learned. Your future will happen. You'll get older. Emergencies will come. And if you don't prepare now, it'll hit you hard later. Build an emergency fund. Start with just $500. Start investing early, even $10 a week. Learn about money like your life depends on it, because it kind of does. If you're broke right now, you're not alone, but you don't have to stay stuck. These traps are real, but they're not forever. You can escape. You can change your money story. It's not about being rich. It's about being free. Free from stress. Free from worry. Free to live on your own terms. The lifestyle lie. The silent killer. The debt trap. The comparison curse. Future blindness. Which of these traps got you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you've escaped any of them, share your story. Someone out there needs your words. If this video opened your eyes, even a little, give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone who's struggling. And most importantly, hit that subscribe button. Because here at FINALAND, we're not just talking money. We're building freedom together. New videos every week to help you take control of your money. Thanks for watching. I believe in you. You got this.